So if you are looking to block messages from unknown contact on your WhatsApp, there are a few different ways to manage this, depending on whether you want to block specific contact or manage privacy. Here's the step that help you. First of all, open up your WhatsApp here. Once you have opened up your WhatsApp on your phone, here you can see the one of the messages on my chat. So you have to tap on that chat, and here you have to tap on the contact name or the number which is on the top of the screen to open up their info. And here you have to scroll down and tap on the block contact here. Once you are here, you have to confirm that you want to block them. So this will prevent the unknown number from sending you any message anymore. Also, you can go back and you can report this too. You can report this, go for the report option, and you have to provide your report reason for blocking or reporting here. So this way you can easily block the unknown account message on WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.